Welcome to Broomfield Tai Chi Chuan. In today's video, let's practice back fist, parry, and punch from the 24 posture form. Let's practice back fist, parry, and punch. Begin in the flash the back position. I start by shifting my weight back and pivoting my left toe in. My left hand comes over across my body as my right hand drops. I bring my right foot back. My left hand comes down, and my right hand comes into a back fist as my right toe comes up. Then I bring my right fist in as I step forward. I bring my left hand across in my parry, and then I come back with my right hand and punch. From the flash the back position, shift your weight back and pivot your left toe in. Bring your right foot and right hand back. Left hand comes across, right hand goes into the back fist as your right foot comes up and your right toe comes up. Bring your right hand in as you step forward with your left foot. And your left hand comes into the parry. Now your right hand goes forward into the punch. As you shift your weight back and pivot your toe, come around, back fist. So your fist and your foot come out at the same time, back fist. Then as I step forward and I parry, my body turns to the other side. Then I use my center to come out and punch. Back fist, parry, punch. So that punch comes from the center. So as I do the parry, my hip is now facing to the right away from me, and my fist is at my center. Then I use my weight shift and I use my center to send my fist out for the punch. Let's practice the move again in a more smooth manner. Shift your weight, pivot your toe, back fist, parry, and punch. Let's practice one more time. That was back fist, parry, and punch from the 24 posture form. Thanks for watching. Watch more of my videos for more Tai Chi moves and give me a subscribe. Stay healthy, stay strong.